Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to boot from a USB on any HP laptop. First of all, make sure your USB stick is properly plugged in. The next thing you have to do is to restart your PC. On post, you have to click F9. After clicking F9, it's going to bring you to the boot menu. As you can see right here, we are in the boot menu and our USB flash drive is the first. So click on enter to boot from the USB. And here it is. It took us to the Windows setup. So this is how you boot from a USB on HP laptops. That'll be all for this quick video. See you guys in the next one.